Everybody's talking about extreme weather, and here's how it's going to get worse in 8 ways. Stay tuned to the end to find out what to do about it. Number 1. Extreme heat will get hotter, posing a threat to the most vulnerable, the poor, elderly, and young children. This July will be the warmest month recorded ever. In Death Valley in California, it was 53.3 Celsius last week. Heat warnings around the globe are accelerating the global food crisis as well. Right now, we are on track to pass 2 Celsius of warming, which will be catastrophic for the planet. Number 2, wildfires will burn longer. We are not even halfway through the summer, and wildfires in Canada have already destroyed 10 million hectares of biodiversity. Smoke from wildfires put almost 100 million people in North America under air quality alerts. Chile's decades worth of drought led to the deadliest wildfire in their history. This week, Greece evacuated 19,000 people in roads because of wildfires. Number 3, hurricanes will become more intense. Scientists are predicting one of the most active upcoming seasons of any El Niño season on record, due to record warm Atlantic Ocean water temperatures, with 10 storms expected to become hurricanes, 5 of which will reach at least Category 3 status. Insurance companies are now starting to refuse to insure people. Number 4, droughts will get worse. Farmers are reeling across North America. 43 million in East Africa are starving during the worst drought in 40 years. Number 5, warmer temperatures will mean more rain, as we've seen this year in places like New York, Vermont, India, China, Italy, Portugal, Spain, Rwanda, Brazil, Myanmar, Japan, Guam, the Philippines, Taiwan, South Sudan, Malawi, Mozambique, Madagascar, Zimbabwe, and Nova Scotia. Number 6, sea level rise will cause flooding. It's happening fastest along the Atlantic coast and the Gulf of Mexico, where the land is also sinking by 1 inch every 5 to 10 years. Number 7, don't forget the crazy winter weather we had in places like Ontario and Texas, where huge snow dumps happen because of the weakening jet stream causing disruptions of the polar vortex. Number 8, marine heat waves will increase. This year has seen them in North America, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and Africa. They have been catastrophic for marine life, with coral bleaching, which is one of the major climate tipping points, fish mortality, which is causing food chains to collapse for penguins, seabirds, sea turtles, and marine animals. Kelp, mangroves, and seagrass are all dying. Phytoplankton, which absorbs CO2, is disappearing, causing changes in over 56% of the world's oceans, an area greater than all of the land on Earth. These marine heat waves also allow invasive species to thrive and toxic algae to bloom, and will cause even more severe storms. How do we stop all this? We need to do one thing. We need to end fossil fuel use. We need to fight. It's not too late. Doomerism is the new climate denial. I don't want to keep reading about how to adapt to this new hell with almost nothing being said about ending fossil fuels. It does not have to be this way. Please, get up and fight for your children's future. Demand your country stop using fossil fuels now.